What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So McDonald's brought back their McRib today, and today we're going to make that, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes they won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 24 ounces of vegan sausage, as well as 10 ounces of vegan pulled pork. You also need some dill pickle chips, 6 sub rolls, 1 white onion sliced, a quarter cup of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan McRibs. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.